In the languishing embrace of a rural village, Ella's dilapidated house stands as a haunting reminder of their struggle against poverty. Amidst their humble abode, Eli and his mother share a meager meal, their somber faces illuminated by a mutual love and respect that transcends their material hardships. In a moment of quiet resolve, Eli gazes at his mother with unwavering determination, hinting at his burning desire to shatter the chains of their circumstance. With furrowed brow and tireless dedication, Eli meticulously cleans and repairs each shoe, breathing new life into discarded treasures. Mocking laughter echoes through the market as villagers pass by, yet Eli remains steadfast, his focus unyielding amidst the scorn. The vibrant market provides a colorful backdrop to Ella's solitary endeavors, a stark contrast to the isolation of his noble task. In a gesture of profound love and sacrifice, he extends his meager earnings towards his mother. Ella's mother softly exclaims, "Oh, Eli!" Customers flock to Ella's stall, captivated by the impeccable craftsmanship and unwavering commitment evident in every stitch and sole. Eli's eyes sparkle with a newfound confidence and hope, mirroring the promise of a brighter tomorrow forged through his own hands. The room is filled with an overwhelming sense of joy and optimism, a clear reflection of Eli's relentless spirit.